Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Outlook notifications on iPhone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app by tapping on the Outlook icon on your home screen. This will launch the application and load your email inbox, giving you access to all your messages and settings. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the top left part of your mobile screen where you'll find the Outlook icon. This icon serves as your gateway to the settings window, so go ahead and tap on it. When you do this, a left side menu will slide out from the edge of your screen, displaying various options and features available within the app. Within this left-hand menu, look for the gear icon located at the bottom. This is your settings icon, and tapping it will direct you to your Outlook app settings where you can customize how the app behaves and interacts with your device. The gear icon is a universal symbol for settings across most applications, so it should be easy to spot. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll prominently see the notifications option near the top of the list. This section controls all notification-related preferences for your Outlook app, determining when and how you receive alerts about new emails, calendar events, and other important updates. Tap on the notifications option to reveal all the available notification settings for your app. From here, you'll see several toggles and options, but the main one you need to focus on is the Allow Notifications toggle. Simply switch this option on by tapping it, and it will turn blue or green depending on your iPhone's interface. This action enables Outlook to send you push notifications whenever you receive new emails, meeting invitations, or other important alerts. Enabling this feature ensures you stay connected and informed about your emails, even when you're not actively using the app, which is especially useful for staying on top of work communications or time-sensitive messages. And that's it. You've now enabled Outlook notifications on your iPhone, so you'll receive alerts whenever something important happens in your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.